Guys, in this video we will see how to fix if Google Maps not working on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are failed to operate your Google Maps, then here are the fixes. Open Google Chrome browser and first in the search field type Google Maps platform status dashboard. It will show your Google Maps features and any error occurred on it will display here. You can see Google Maps platform status download. First result, click on Google Maps platform dashboard status will appear here. All the green sign will indicate that your Google Maps function is well working. If you found any yellow color or red color exclamation mark, then having error, and try to resolve this first. Service disruption and service error. And if your problem is still, then go to the settings of your system, press Win+I shortcut key, and here go to privacy and security. Scroll down and click on location and make sure that location services is enabled. Let app access your location. Both the feature is duly turned on. And on individual apps, if you found Google Maps is turned off, then turn on Google Maps location services. Both features should be turned on. And check whether your Google Map or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again go to settings, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to time and language and make sure that your system time and language is correctly. Click on date and time and set time automatically. Turn the toggle button on of set time automatically, and your date and time should be accurate. Sometimes incorrect date and time may be a cause of Google Maps not working properly in your system or any other device. If you are using Google Maps in your device, phone, mobile, then here also check this. The next one is install Windows latest update. Go to settings again. From the left side, choose Windows Update and click on check for updates. And if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated OS may be a cause of Google Maps not working on your Windows 11 10 system.